Hello, how are you, my friend? She's very beautifully, she's wearing crop top collections. Hey, camera, you're looking at me. Hey, come on, I was looking at the mannequin. The mannequin is wearing such a beautiful jacket and with a white diamond stone pattern of the crop top collections with the bottle green and silver and the finishing of the creamish color pattern. This is a fully covered with the mirror work and the stone work. This is a crop top varieties. If I talk about the crop top varieties, we do have a crop top, Sharara, Peplum collections, all ball gown varieties and even the lehengas. These collections, the mannequin, you can also purchase for new varieties for your shop opening. And if you want to plan a boutique, friends, you can plan, you can invest, you can take a profitable business in this. Such varieties of party wear, lehengas, gowns, crop top varieties, even in the kids collections as well as varieties for the youngsters, women, all every collection. So friends, today I'm going to show you beautiful, lovely crop top collections, not for youngsters, college girls or women. Today I'm going to take you to the kids counter. Here is a kids counter, very pretty and very unique varieties of the collections you can purchase and you can add into your business. And kids collections today is very demanded varieties. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel. These collections will start from only 600 to 550 rupees. The collections are, if I talk about the basic crop top varieties, which in the lehenga section, which starts from 300 to 350 rupees. So let's have some samples of the new arrival collections. If you are a kids retailer, if you are a kids dealer, you have to tie up with the right manufacturer, and such unique varieties you have to add into your collections. No need to worry about the visit purchase. You can do online shopping and the video calling purchase also. Let's have a samples quickly and you can take a screenshot and you can contact our online team. As I said, there is an online team to show you. There's no language barrier. First, I'll start with the biggest size, which is a very pretty with the bottle green color, with the fancy collections of the fabric designer, which is synthetic base, jerkin work with a creamish color pattern with the sequence work. This is the back end portion. See, this is a coat pattern you can see here. This is a beautiful, lovely. This is a leggings. In this you have a different unique designs. And we have a latest collections. If I talk about small babies, 3 years, 4 years. This is a one more color, which is a magenta color with a golden foil mirror print. See, there is a fancy hanging tassels over here, the ball gown tassels, such a traditional base colors over here, you can see here. And if I talk about, this is a dupatta for the pretty young kids collection, small lovely baby collections you can see here. This is the pattern. So this is a Rama green color mini crop top, which is a top, and there is a sleeves, you can attach it. So lovely colors. In this you have a one more color. If I talk about the crop top with a mirror work, heavy designer mirror, golden finishing, onion pinkish color I can say, thread work. This is the crop top, the top, and this is the beautiful lehenga. See, so this is the pattern. You have a satin and the mild, you can see the can. So this is the pattern, okay. And if I talk about the next pretty color, born babies also for 6 months, 1 year, 10 months. So very pretty with the Rama greenish color with a multi designer crop top. And this is the lehenga. There is a multiple layers over here and the thread work, floral work, and this is a satin. You have a 2-3 linings also which covered here. If I talk about the light classy colors, settle colors of the ocean blue color for the born baby, 6 months babies also you can purchase such varieties. Settle classy color with the fancy tassels, silver finishing, silver ball finishing over here, and this is a dupatta. All these varieties. If I talk about next color, which is a wine purple, very pretty, huh? I like this. I want to be a kid now. I want to wear it. Such a very pretty color. See the work also. The beautiful. Cameraman, so super. See, I like this color. This is a one more pattern. This is like Sharara pattern, you see. Very beautiful. So this is the bottom. In this you have a plain dupatta. Yellow, dark yellow color. See, very pretty. And you have a, this is the pattern with the net finishing with the satin layer, handwork design. So handwork design, and this is a chunky work. These are all very pretty, and I want to show you the just baby carrying. We carry a baby, right? Born baby. We carry baby at the baby. See, beautiful cotton, which is a holding bag. So there is a beautiful, lovely cartoon printed. So baby holder bag. This all the baby holder napkins also you can purchase like this. Very pretty. We have a different beautiful soft baby carrying. See, sheets I can say, yeah, napkins I can say. Very pretty. All this you can buy. See the sheets also where we can, it's absorb the sheets when for the babies we can. See, this is also baby with the net. So with the net also we can carry. All these varieties we have a pretty wonderful collections. So if you're into a kids collections reselling, you want to start with babies kids collections business, you can tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers. There's online purchase, visit purchase 20,000, 25, 50,000. You can plan for boutique also, you can plan for showroom also, no worries. So let's meet next in video new with more new collections and informations. And if you have any doubt, if you want what kind of collections you are looking for, you can let me know in the comment box. I'll create the more videos for you. And for the business gateway model to invest, to start a franchisee, you can talk to your online team. The numbers are scrolling on the screen, and there's no language barrier. Worldwide we provide you shipping, cargo services, sea services, pan India COD options are there. So hopefully this video you enjoyed. So next video we'll meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting me. There's a bell icon, just click it. Don't forget to tell me in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. So next video we'll meet. Until then, take care. Bye bye.